This video is a slideshow for removing the front bumper. On each side of the front bumper, there is a black plastic clip holding the bumper and the wing together. There are two screws on this plastic black clip, and you should remove that two screws to release the pressure to the wing and the front bumper. After the two screws are removed from the clip can be slid away from the wing and the front bumper. Here you can see the clip has been removed away from the wing edge. After the clip has been slided away from the front wing and front bumper, the end of the front bumper is loose. Next, you need to remove two long bolts holding the bumper to the front bumper shock absorber. This photo shows the two bolts removed, and the tool I used to remove the two bolts. On each side of the front bumper, you also need to detach the bottom black cover from the front bumper by removing the two screws shown on this photo. The engine bottom belly cover should also be removed. For more information, please watch my other video for removing the belly cover. Now you can try gradually remove the bumper from the car. On this photo you can see I use some stool and oil bottle to support the front bumper. Don't remove it. You need to unplug some cables before you can really remove it away from the car. Before you can remove the front bumper from the car, you have to remove the bulb holder from the two fog lights and also remove the plug from the two horns. Now you can carefully remove the bumper from the car. Here you can see the fog light and the horn. This photo shows the fog lights and the horn on the other side of the front bumper. This photo shows the bulb holder and the bulb for the fog lights and the cable and the plug for the horn. The same fog light bulb holder and the bulb and the connector and the cable to the horn on the right-hand side. This is the front bumper shock absorber, and the long bolts will get through the vertical barrel. The hole toward the front is for the towing eye to be screwed in. This is the front bumper shock absorber on the left-hand side. This photo shows the trim and the headlight has been removed. The other end of the trim. This photo shows where the headlight lower trim can be plugged into. This photo shows the holes for the headlight lower trim on the wing side. This shows after the front bumper has been removed. Also notice the headlight trim cover. One is on, one has been removed.